What it do? What's in the club? Okay. So this weekend we are going on a road trip. We're going to Toronto, and we're gonna go kick it with some family. Bring the baby to see some family members. And it's our first road trip traveling with a baby. So, yeah. I'm not sure how that's gonna go yet, but yeah. Are you gonna be a good girl in the car? Yeah. Maybe. You're gonna sleep? Anyways, so of course I am very last minute. I didn't even pack my bag yet, but I packed baby girl's bag, so I'm about to show you what I am bringing for her, and then I'm gonna rush to get myself ready, and hopefully I don't forget anything, because I had 2 weeks to plan all of this and I waited till the morning of to pack the bags. So first things first, bringing a bag of diapers. I think this will be more than enough. We're just going for what, 3-4 days? Yeah, this should be good. So we got diapers coming in strong. This is the bag I'm going to use for her because of course I didn't get anything. So this, we are going swimming, so I got the water wipes, water diapers. Wow. Yes. Big bag of wipes, because you can never have too much wipes. This bag is already getting full. I need somewhere to put this on. 1 second. Just a little crazy in here. Let me get something. Okay, so I am packing her little first aid kit, you know, got little stuff just in case she might need it. Can never be too careful. So we got that. Yeah. You telling everybody what we're packing? Yep. Let them know, baby. Let them know. So yeah, sunscreen. I use the Baby Balm sunscreen. This is for her hair, curl definer, because she got some nice curls, so I like to get them popping. Yeah. Soap and cream, can't forget that. All her little socksies, you gotta pack that. Yeah, you gotta pack that. Got some bibs, because my girl is a drooler. She's starting to teeth, so she drools like crazy. And here and there she spits up too, so we need this. And I'm definitely overpacking because this is my first time. I don't know what I need, I don't know what I might not need, so I might as well just bring everything. You never know. Okay. So I have 2 towels, a rag, and her bassinet sheet, because we are going to bring her bassinet. We have a travel one, so yeah. I'm going to do that, because pack that in there. Ooh, it's getting full already. 2 bathing suits and like this towel onesie type of thing. So after she's done swimming, I'm just going to put her in this, let her cool off, dry up and whatnot. And then these cute little bathing suits. This one's a long sleeve one. Love it. Old Navy. Get you some. And this one too, they had like a collection with the matching with your mommy, but like I didn't really like it for the one for me, so I didn't buy it. But I kind of should have, just to match with her. Girl, what's going on? Are you pooping? Yeah, so there's that. Got some pajamas and her little wrap. And I'm packing one long sleeve pajama just in case if there's AC in the house, and then like 2 short sleeve just in case if she poops or spits up, because you know, they do that. So that's that. And then coming in with the outfits now. I think she's trying to poop. What's going on? Okay, so with the outfits, a little pair of shorts. What else do I got in here? So the shorts can go with these 2 onesies. Oh yeah, we're pooping. So there's that. Outfit. And then we got, these 2 little onesies. And then just a simple onesie for chilling. Got this just in case if we do something cute, you know, little cute little jumper onesie type of vibe. Yeah, you like it? I think she likes it. And then this little cute set. So that. I'm gonna pack a sweater just in case. I mean, this one's a little thick, a little too heavy, but I'm gonna pack the sweater because it'll go with everything that I just packed. Ooh. Ooh. What else am I missing here? What else do I need? Excuse her pooping, guys. She has no manners. It's her face for me. Do you feel better? Ooh, that one smells. I can smell it from here. Oh yeah, I'm gonna take her mats, one of her like tummy time mats. I'm gonna pack that so she could have that to just chill on when we're eating or something. I don't know. I'm gonna pack that. I'm gonna pack it now before I forget. And what else am I missing here? Ooh. I'm not bringing all of these things because I'm not walking around with this. But yeah, this little mat, play mat. So she could have that to just chill on when nobody feels like holding her. Even though I'm pretty sure she will be held for a majority of the trip. Yeah, so we're packing that. And then I think that's everything. I have more than enough clothes. I have everything. I'm gonna have to pack her little bathtub thing because I'd rather be safe than sorry. Muslin cloths. I need some blankies. I think we're just gonna pack two of those. Let's get that. Yeah, so 2 little blankets, this little burp cloth. Honestly, this is what her bag is looking like right now. I think that is everything. I think that's everything. Yeah. I don't know. Hopefully I didn't forget anything, but if not, there's pharmacies, there's Walmarts, there's everything, so we would just have to go get it. Because mommy didn't think ahead. And she waited till the last minute. Like always. Yeah. Okay, let's change your bum. And now I'm going to pack my stuff and then we will see each other on the road. So we just made our first stop. Oh my gosh, we still have 3 more hours to go. Why do I look so sweaty? And we're getting some gas. We just used the bathroom. I changed her diaper. She ate. We're good. So let's hope that she just knocks out for the rest of the ride and we can get there and not stop. As you can see, she's getting a little antsy. She wants to go. I think she had enough of the car seat. She wants to get up. She was so happy getting up before. So yeah, last stop, hopefully. I will see you in Toronto. Good morning. It's Friday. And where are we going? We're going to the mall. I'm gonna go meet with some friends. Because if you guys didn't know, hubby's originally from Toronto. You know, I'm being camera shy right now. He's originally from Toronto, so we're gonna go check all his people while we're out here. And the baby's in the back. Bump your head. Mama, bump your head. And then burper.
Where are we at?
So now we're at Bramley Mall. We're gonna go meet up with my sister. We're gonna go see Auntie? Yeah, we're gonna go see Auntie. Say hi to my YouTube.
Hello, family. Okay. Oh, my baby.
Side.
Where is it?
Bottle time. So basically what I do is, because I breastfeed, I pump, and I make little bottles throughout the day so I don't have to just, you know, have my boobs all out in public. But she's not a fan of the bottle just yet, but we're still learning, still training. We'll get there soon.
I just want to run salad color.
A gel color.
Yeah, you can pick any color from the salad. Rosy left? Oh, she get left. Oh, wow. I just told her to come.
What was the nail color?
Nhung ơi.
Or should I
A
do
little
white?
darker. No, do the same one.
Like this, eh?
Maybe I think it's the other one beside it.
That's so cute.
That's cute. It's not too dark?
Want me to go check?
No, that's okay.
That's late.
Yeah, it's later. It's gonna match my
Yeah?
I was trying to clean out when you do massages what can do that. So I came to do it and obviously it didn't work because she didn't come on time. It was nice. I was there with Big Billy. I was trying to sleep in the car again, but it's too
Sorry.
Yeah. No, only one.
Don't worry, I'm not gonna get your face, okay? Not gonna say nothing?
Chị nhớ được chuyện Kim.
So since we're going to a pool party and the beach this weekend, I need to get my toes.
Mấy cái áo thôi à.
So,
Ủa, mấy cái ni tay số lượng một quả tao má.
Không phải, cái vali nó nhỏ nhưng mà nó đã chất đồ, nó không có biết chất hiểu không? Quần áo nó cuộn lên như cuộn chả giò, thì cái vali nó sẽ cuộn lên. Bây giờ nếu mà là ngõ thì ngõ sẽ gỡ ra nó thích lại, nhưng mà tụi nó không có thời gian, tụi nó phải đi, mà nếu mà nó lên sớm mà làm gọn thì cho nó được.
It's crazy.
okay, so hold on. It's a little blurry. Good night, guys. So today was a long day. We met up with some friends, met up with my sister, went to the mall, we did our toes. What else did we do? Yeah, we did a lot today. So we're about to hit the sack because she's been up literally all day. I think she probably had like a 30-minute nap throughout this whole entire day. And she is just overly tired and super cranky. So tomorrow's gonna be another long day. It's Uncle A's birthday, so we're gonna go party it out. And yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. So have a good night.
It hasn't even like baby. Hi, baby. Hello. You're so pretty. Oh. You're like, I know. I know.
Everyone's here.
Alright.
Can we take a selfie on this?
It's a video.
Oh. Where's he going?
Davia took my photo. Of like a year and a half. I know, I'm just working
We didn't even start yet.
It did.
There's no music.
There was music, but it stopped because they're changing the DJs, setting up.
DJ's fired?
Yeah, man.
Girls getting for free, not making no money. Oh, girls are free?
Yeah, like until 9. You should have put it till 6.
I like girls free.
Yeah, but they're not making no money.
That's fine.
Oh, there's gonna be beer girls here, eh?
Good morning. Okay, so it's Sunday morning. We got in pretty late last night. It was a good vibe. Baby girl sleeping back there. And I am packing for the beach today, if you haven't already guessed. Okay, so we're gonna be matching. Putting her in this blue bathing suit. Packing the water diapers, this towel onesie type of thing, a towel, need that, sunscreen, a long onesie for after, in case if it gets a little chilly, it usually does. Another blanket. And I bought this other bathing suit just in case if it's kind of cold, you know. And a hat. And some extra diapers and all that. So, I will see you at the beach. Hey.
I'm gonna make a sundae after you. It's gonna have brownies, bananas, chocolate, whipped cream, and vanilla ice cream.
Wow. Yum-yums. All the good stuff.
All the good stuff. With toffee, like the crunchy ones that you just put on top. Yeah, that's gonna be the chocolate.
How you liking the beach?
I'm feeling it. I'm
Yeah,
feeling it.
yeah,
In
yeah.
a crowded, we're able to find a nice designated area.
Okay.
It's a vibe. It's
Okay.
got boats, you know, got view.
Okay. I see you with the green highlight.
You know, little pop of color. It's a vibe.
Cheese.
I've never been here before, so
No, eh? It's a nice little vibe. Still.
the waves, kind of giving like ocean vibe, but
Right?
you know?
This just was a little hotter, but it's off and on.
Yeah. When the sun gets blocked out.
I need to invest in a nice camera, bro.
Or just a lens.
Or a lens. Yeah.
So do you want to say hi to the camera?
What? Jeez.
Shai's just living her best life.
I know, eh?
Careful where your toes lead, bro.
How do I explain where we are?
Check the WhatsApp in the group. We pinned the location.
Check the WhatsApp link, the live.
Go further. Come up here, though. Come on this side.
Look at her.
You're like, what
She doesn't like that.
What is this? I'm not trying to be up in here. You're sick. I'm not trying to go in the water. Oh, poor baby. It's just some cold water.
She's not happy with you right now. Come tell the camera how she found it.
Huh?
Come tell the camera how she liked the water.
She does not like the water.
Not finding the Canadian cold water, eh? Say, Mommy, I need a vacation. Tropical.
Yeah, I need to go to the islands.
No, you never told me. What's your name? Please tell me your name.
Ask her.
No, her name.
Oh, forever.
You got some creative parents, dog.
Forever.
Seems like forever, you're gonna be a star.
You have to be.
You're gonna be a star. We're passing this way. I would have told them to get ready. I would have picked them up on the way.
You got wet.
Shy, come on this side. The lighting's better. Shami, introduce your daughter.
I'm not gonna go in the water.
Don't drop at the baby.
Imagine. You know another reason I don't like the beach?
What?
I was in yard when I was a baby in yard. Well, I was like probably like 2. I was on one of those floaty things.
Yeah.
Bro, the shit just drifted off, dog. A man on a jet ski had to come save me, bro. A man had to save me on a jet ski.
Say hi to the camera.
She's out.
What an intro.
Oh, my mom, they reach.
Oh yeah, they reach.
Reach. What a reach.
There, John.
Man, you're really moving like your pops. And remember, you man, you said the whole.
Oh, I know the whole day, dog. Talking to everybody and videotaping everything.
Bro, I was talking so much shit in those videos. Adrian, you guys still have those videos, right?
Deja would watch that her whole life, dog. She just stopped watching it the other day.
In those videos, bro.
When I was out. I go to the water and I think I scraped myself.
Yeah, the birthday one, the one when we first moved to Brampton, I have it.
Jacuzzi park.
That's a long time though.
I'm gonna get a book.
I went to the store the other day. Go buy food, right? Oh my god.
And next year we're doing Wild Water Kingdom again.
Okay. Well, with it. We could do it this Saturday.
What's your name? Yeah. She acting like I'm crazy, like I said. Marianne died house. Shit. Without the charity?
Yeah, it costs me, yeah. But that's what you're probably talking about.
No, I'm not. I'm talking about someone totally different, bro. You remember what I'm talking about?
Vaguely, yeah, vaguely.
You know what I'm talking about.
Vaguely?
That's who you always
Vaguely,
talk
vaguely.
about. Bro, all you used to talk to her a lot, bro. She was like your age, or a year younger.
Okay.
You're what, 99, 89, 88?
7.
87. Akachi's 88.
Yeah.
What are you?
90. Yeah, so she was like 89.
What? I wish I knew.
Oh, you guys got
That's my mom.
Yeah, and Jedi knows everything, bro.
She should know, because she was the one picking her up.
I need to know now.
Bro, you guys remember.
Just describe like what? How did like she dark skin, light skin?
Like darker skin, kind
So
of.
it's
Braids.
even harder.
You guys don't, how you guys not know what I'm talking about, man?
And there's so many people.
Who you
that
fighting?
come in and out of
Who you
her life.
fighting?
Fighting me.
It's been a day, yeah?
It's been a
Talk
week.
about today. This wasn't an opening to talk about your week. Like finally someone asked me.
Never know, man.
Say so. No.
What? That's a weird.
Yeah, barbecue.
I was wondering why you couldn't bring that. Wait, we got
Why can't you barbecue?
It's cold.
One after
I'm down to go in one more time if somebody goes with me.
You
Nah?
gotta do a cartwheel before we leave. Man.
I don't do cartwheels,
Everyone has to do a
man.
cartwheel. He did one.
You first.
I did one.
I didn't
Now
see
you
it.
did one.
I
have
didn't
the
see
video,
it.
fam.
Let me see the
But we
video.
all did cartwheels.
Let me see the video.
We all did cartwheels.
Let me
fam.
see the video.
That's what I like.
The last man knows. So.
Let me see the video,
Yeah,
fam.
He has receipts. Don't worry.
I have to see it. I have to see it to believe it. Yo, we're going in the water one more time?
One more time, and then that's it. Because the fish gets cold.
Yeah.
Even Citrus gets cold.
Yours was clean still.
Okay.
Okay. Let me see that again.
Wow.
Hey, by next year, remember by next year, you're going to go. Next year she's going. Look at her leg. She's crying.
She's crying?
Salsa. Change the song. They want to dance. Oh, it's recording. It takes pictures too?
I gotta protect my energy. Too much jealousy, I see.
Put on like a dancing song.
Hey guys, so we're leaving the beach now. We had such a long day. It's such a long drive as well, so we're trying to get home before it gets too dark. I think everybody had a good time. I had a good time. Baby had a good time. She's slumped. Wow. And hopefully next year we'll get another nice beach day. So I will see you guys later. Peace out. Good morning. It's Monday morning. We're about to go. What are we doing? Today's our last day here. We're about to go see his mom before we leave. Go say bye to grandma. Baby girl is cranky today. Her sleep schedule is so off, guys. Oh my gosh. It's gonna be a tough week when we go back home. Oh, this lighting is... But yeah, this is gonna be a long drive. So we'll see you later. Guys, you would never imagine what is happening right now. Oh my god. Okay, so we just got in. We're home. It's like 11 o'clock now. Oh, we just did a long ass drive. We made it back home. All our stuff is here. This is everything from in the car, by the way. So much stuff. And our house key broke in the door. So we can't get in our house. So my husband went to go get the landlord to see if she has a spare key, because I don't know what we're gonna do. And we're tired. It's been such a long day, such a long drive. Oh, and if you're wondering how come we don't have 2 sets of keys, we do, but my husband decided to leave his keys home because, you know, we don't need it. And we only had my keys. So his keys are inside the house and my keys are broken. So yeah, we wait and we see. It's just our luck. Quick little update. We made it. We're in the house. Thank God. Thank God, thank God, thank God. Oh, we're finally home. We had such a good weekend. I am so tired. My husband's tired. Baby's tired. We're about to just call it a night and go to bed because I can't. Today's been quite eventful. I'm so over it. But thank you for watching our weekend little getaway. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what else you guys want to see and we'll do it. Okay, good night.